I am Anil Kumar and we are exploring how to find the angle theta when trigonometric ratio is given to us. In this particular case, we are given cosecant theta. The question here is, determine the value of theta if cosecant theta equals to minus 3.5 and theta is between 0 and 360 degrees. As you know, the steps followed should be that we should always write our question in the form of primary trigonometric ratio. What we are given here is cosecant theta equals to minus 3.5. Calculators do not have cosecant theta, right? So we have to write it in terms of sine theta. Sine theta is 1 over cosecant, or cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. So we get 1 over sine theta as minus 3.5. So that gives us sine theta equals to minus 1 over 3.5, correct? Now you could find theta as sine inverse of this value, but that will give you some negative answer which is not in your domain. So you can try it out with your calculator. We have already tried in one of our videos, so we will not do it again. So can you tell me now what is the next step? So first step, step 1 is, as you know, write it in primary trigonometric ratio, and now step 2 is find what? Related acute angle. So that is the step 2, right? Acute angle. Okay, so what do I mean by saying that? It really means that we'll find what sine alpha is, right? So let's say acute angle is alpha. This is sine alpha is equals to 1 over 3.5. Acute angle is between 0 degrees to 90 degrees, correct? So it is between 0 to 90 degrees. Now, so we can say alpha is equals to sine inverse of 1 over 3.5. So at this stage we can use the calculator. It does have sine in it. Shift sine, that gives you sine inverse. 1 divided by 3.5 bracket close equals to. So we get alpha as, let me write here, 16.601. Okay, we'll round it to one decimal place and we'll say let it be equal to 16.6 degrees, right? So that is the value of alpha. Now step 3. Step 3 is you have to figure out where, in which quadrant primary principal angle should be, right? So we are looking for negative value. You know from the cast rule that all are positive in quadrant 1, sine in 2, tan in 3, and cosine in 4, right? Some of you take this as all students take calculus, all silver teacup. However, you have remembered, but sine is negative in 2 quadrants, and these 2 quadrants are quadrant 3 and 4, right? So these are the quadrants for you. So in these quadrants, we have negative value. So the real question was that sine theta is equals to minus 1 over 3.5. This is what we wanted to find. What we found is the acute angle. And for us, the acute angle here is 16.6 degrees. That is the acute angle. So how much is the principal angle? That is what is your answer, right? So we get 2 principal angles. One is this, which is 180 plus 16.6, and the other one is here 360 minus 16.6. So you have 180 degrees minus 16.6, and the other one is 360 degrees minus 16.6 degrees, right? So let's use calculator, find this. So we have 180 plus 16.6, that gives us 196.6 degrees. The other one is 360 minus 16.6, and that is equals to 343.4 degrees. So accurate to 10th place, that is the answer. So let's write down the answer. That is our step number 4. Write your answer clearly. So theta is equals to 196.6 degrees and 343.4 degrees. As you can see, these are the 2 possible values between 0 to 360 degrees, right? So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Follow these steps to answer such questions. Thank you and all the best.